Namaste.
Namaskaram. Namaste. Namaste.
Namaskara.
Namaste.
Namaste.
Namaste. Namaste. Namaskara. I don't want this. That look.
Namaste, everybody. Namaste. Okay, thank you.
Namaste.
Let's start. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Shri Mahaganapataye Namaha. Gurur Brahma, Gurur Vishnu, Gurur Devo Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Param Brahma, Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. Vakratunda Mahakaya, Suryakoti Samaprabha, Nirvighram Kuru Me Deva, Sarvakaryeshu Sarvada. Okay. Anna, do you want to try this?
Yeah, I want to try both of them. Ayataya cha somaya mangalaya pataya cha kusakha
Shukra.
sakha sanitpricha
Shanibhyascha.
vahave ketave namaha.
Thank you. Bala and Ishita.
Aditya cha somaya mangalaya buddhaya cha guru shukra shanibhyascha rahave ketave namaha.
Thank you. Bharat.
Adityaya cha somaya mangalaya buddhaya cha guru shukra shanibhyascha rahave ketave namaha.
Thank you. Daivik.
Adityaya cha somaya mangalaya buddhaya cha guru shukra shanibhyascha rahave ketave namaha.
Very good. Datta and Snigdha.
Adityaya cha somyaya mangalaya buddhaya cha
Budhaya cha.
buddhaya cha guru shukra shanibhyascha
Shanibhyascha.
rahave ketave namaha.
Thank you. Okay, that's that. Then we learned this one, right? Who's next? Dia.
Yani kani cha papani samudra kuntini cha
Wait. Janmantara
janmantara
kritani cha.
utani cha
Yeah.
tani
Tani
sarvani
sarvani Tani sarvani. I didn't hear that.
Kani sarvani
Nashyanti
nashyanti
pradakshina
padakshina pade
pade
pade.
pade. Very good. Dhriti and Deepti.
यानि कानि च पापानि जन्मान्तरकृतानि च तानि सर्वाणि नश्यन्ति प्रदक्षिणा पदे पदे.
Pradakshina pade pade. Okay. Next, Jashwin.
यानि कानि च पाकानि
Papani
कृतानि च तानि सर्वाणि नास्यन्ति
nashyanti
प्रदक्षिणा पते पते
nashyanti.
पदेशिना पते पते.
No, nashtani sarvani nashyanti. Jashwin.
Yeah.
Tani sarvani nashyanti. Say it again, please.
यानि कानि च पापानि जन्मान्तरकृतानि च तानि सर्वाणि नास्यन्ति
Nashyanti.
प्रदक्षिणा पते पते.
Stop. Nashyanti. Tani sarvani. Tani sarvani.
यानि कानि
No. Repeat after me. Don't try to read. Tani sarvani
तानि सर्वाणि
nashyanti
नश्यन्ति
pradakshina
प्रदक्षिणा
pade pade.
पते पते.
Okay, you are saying nashyanti. It is not nashyanti. It is nashyanti. Okay. Kamya and Kripa.
यानि
कानि
कानि च पापानि जन्मान्तरकृतानि च तानि सर्वाणि
Nashyanti.
नश्यन्ति प्रदक्षिणा पदे पदे.
Thank you. Okay, next Lavanya.
यानि कानि च पापानि जन्मान्तरकृतानि च तानि सर्वाणि नश्यन्ति प्रदक्षिणा पदे पदे.
Thank you. Okay, so we will look at one more shloka, pradakshina. Okay, namaskara shloka. Okay, we learned yani kani cha papani, that shloka yesterday, right? Yani kani cha papani janmantara kritani cha tani sarvani nashyanti pradakshina pade pade. Okay, we will continue that shloka. Okay, with one more. Okay. Anyathā śaranam nāsti. Anyathā śaranam nāsti. Anyathā śaranam nāsti. Tvameva śaranam mama. Tvameva śaranam mama. Anyathā śaranam nāsti. Tvameva śaranam mama. Tasmāt kārunya bhavena. Tasmāt kārunya bhavena. Raksha parameshvara. Tasmāt kārunya bhavena. Raksha parameshvara. Anyathā śaranam nāsti. त्वमेव शरणं मम तस्मात् कारुण्यभावेन रक्ष रक्ष परमेश्वर अन्यथा शरणं नास्ति. Anyatha means except. Sharanam nāsti, except you there is no one I can take refuge. Okay, no one else can protect. Tvameva sharanam mama, so I will take refuge in you. Okay, there is no one else. Tasmat karunya bhavena, karunya is compassion. Okay, so you are out of compassion. Okay, raksha raksha parameshwara. Raksha means protect. Okay, protect me parameshwara, O supreme lord. Okay, parama means supreme, ishvara is lord, parameshwara. So O supreme lord, protect me. Okay, be kind and protect me. Okay, I have lot of mistakes in me, but protect me. You, except you there is no one else I can come refuge, take refuge. Okay, so you are the protector. That's what this shloka means. Okay, anyathā śaranam nāsti tvameva śaranam mama tasmāt karunya bhavena raksha raksha parameshwara. Okay, Manya. No. Nayana, Kollur.
anyathā śaranam nāsti tvameva śaranam mama tasmāt karunya bhavena raksha raksha parameshwara.
Thank you. Tasmat karunya bhavena raksha raksha parameshwara. Parnika.
anyathā śaranam nāsti tvameva śaranam mama tasmāt karunya bhavena raksha raksha parameshwara.
Thank you. Pranil.
अन्यथा शरणं नास्ति त्वामेव शरणं मम तस्मात् कारुण्य भावेन रक्ष रक्ष परमेश्वर.
Thank you. Raghav.
अन्यथा शरणं नास्ति त्वमेव शरणं मम तस्मात् कारुण्यभावेन रक्ष रक्ष परमेश्वर.
Thank you. Ruhika.
अन्यथा शरणं नास्ति त्वमेव
शरणं मम तस्मात्
Karunya bhavena
रक्ष रक्ष
परमेश्वरा.
Thank you. Nidhi, Sanvi.
अन्यथा शरणं नास्ति त्वमेव शरणं मम तस्मात् कारुण्यभावेन रक्ष रक्ष परमेश्वर.
Thank you. Okay, so we got 2 shlokas when you are doing pradakshina namaskara, right? यानि कानि च पापानि जन्मान्तरकृतानि च तानि सर्वाणि नश्यन्ति प्रदक्षिणपदे पदे. And then अन्यथा शरणं नास्ति त्वमेव शरणं मम तस्मात् कारुण्यभावेन रक्ष रक्ष परमेश्वर. अन्यथा शरणं नास्ति त्वमेव शरणं मम तस्मात् कारुण्यभावेन रक्ष रक्ष परमेश्वर. Okay, so 16 minutes. Can we try one more shloka for today? One more new shloka. Okay, let's look at this one. Okay, so this is Kshama. So when we finish, okay, we ask for forgiveness. Okay, any mistakes we made in chanting, not able to focus, like some of you are currently doing, looking everywhere, right? Not able to focus. So if we do any mistakes, we ask for forgiveness. Okay, so this first one, so there are two shlokas here. Let's try one today and then another one tomorrow. Okay. Yadaksharapadabrashtam 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 mātrā-hīnam mātrā-hīnam tu yad bhavet mātrā-hīnam tu yad bhavet yadakshara padabhrashtam mātrā-hīnam tu yad bhavet yadakshara padabhrashtam mātrā-hīnam tu yad bhavet tat sarvam kshamyatam Pranil, you're not repeating after me. Tat sarvam kshamyatam Deva Narayana namostute Deva Narayana namostute yadakshara padabhrashtam mātrā-hīnam tu yad bhavet mātrā-hīnam tu yad bhavet yadakshara padabhrashtam mātrā-hīnam tu yad bhavet tat sarvam kshamyatam deva tat sarvam kshamyatam deva Narayana namostute So yadakshara, so any letters, pada, that means word, bhrashtam, okay, means if anything gone wrong, mistakes in that, errors we made. Mātrā-hīnam, that means if we make any sound incorrectly, okay, to yad bhavet, if that happens, tat sarvam, all that, kshamyatam, forgive, deva, Lord, Narayana, namostute, okay, forgive me, Lord Narayana, if I make any mistakes in the letters I pronounce, okay, the words if I pronounce incorrectly, if the swara, that means the phonetics and the voice, if it is not correct, okay, like mātrā, instead of that is a mātrā, okay, mātrā, like that, okay, if that's not correct, all the mistakes I make in doing the, in chanting all this, kshamyatam, forgive, okay, Narayana, forgive, okay, that's the meaning. Yadaksharapada bhrashtam mātrā-hīnam tu yad bhavet tatsarvam kshamyatam deva Narayana namostute. Where did I stop last? Sanjana?
Yadaksharapadabhrashtam
Yadakshara
Yadaksharapadabhrashtam
pada
Padabhrashtam mātrā-hīnam tu yad bhavet
mātrā-hīnam
mātrā-hīnam tu yad bhavet tatsarvam
kshamyatam
shamyatam deva Narayana namostute.
Thank you. Srimayi?
यदक्षरपदभ्रष्टं mātrā-hīnam tu yad bhavet tatsarvam kshamyatam deva Narayana namostute.
Thank you. Tatsarvam kshamyatam tam deva Narayana namostute. Tejas. So everybody watch Nidhi. She keeps repeating whenever someone else chanting, she keeps repeating. So that's how you practice. Okay. Like that everyone should be doing. Whenever I'm chanting or someone else chanting, she keeps repeating. Instead of sitting quietly watching the screen, keep repeating, then you will learn. Yeah. Tejas.
Yadaksharapadabhrashtam Yadaksharapadabhrashtam
Pada, it is not pada, it is pada.
Padabhrashtam mātrā-hīnam tu yad bhavet.
Mātrā, there is a, mātrā.
Mātrā-hīnam tu yad bhavet tatsarvam shamyatam deva
Narayana.
Narayana namostute.
Thank you. Vaishnavi and Ram. Okay.
Yadaksharapadabhrashtam
No.
mātrā.
Start again. One at a time. Let's do one at a time.
Okay. Yadaksharapadabhrashtam
No. Pada.
Yadak-
Is it pada or pada?
Pada.
Pada.
Start again. Pada means feet. Okay. Pada means word. If you are saying pada brashtam, that means I got my legs wrong. Okay. Pada brashta means I got the words wrong. Okay. So we are asking the pronunciation, the words I say is wrong. Okay. That's why forgiveness, not my feet. Okay. Start again. That's why pronunciation is very important. Okay. From the very beginning, I keep saying where you need to pull pada is different to pada. Okay, so everyone focus here. I think 2-3 of them you already said the same thing. It is not pada. Okay, pada means feet. Okay, it gives a completely different meaning. Okay, yeah, start again.
यदक्षरपदभ्रष्टं mātrā-hīnam tu yad-bhavet तत्सर्वं क्षमयातं क्षम्यतां देवनारायण नमोऽस्तुते.
Yeah, Vaishnavi.
यदक्षरः पदभ्रष्टं मातरहीनं तु यद्भवेत् तत्सर्वं क्षम्यतां देवनारायण नमोऽस्तुते.
Thank you, Varadarajan.
यदक्षरपदभ्रष्टं mātrā-hīnam tu yad-bhavet तत्सर्वं क्षम्यतां देवनारायण नमोऽस्तुते.
Very good. Thank you. Yadaksharapadabrashtam mātrā-hīnam tu yadbhavet tatsarvam kshamyatam deva narayana namostute. Okay, so that's 2 shlokas for today. One in Pradakshina shloka and another one Kshama. Okay, anyathā śaranam nāsti tvameva śaranam mama tasmāt kārunya bhavena raksha parameshvara. Yadaksharapadabhrashtam mātrā-hīnam tu yadbhavet tatsarvam kshamyatam deva narayana namostute. Okay. Okay, so I told all of your parents to send me your full names. Okay, if they have not sent, just remind me. Okay, remind them. Okay, to send me your full names, because you are all joining the class. I want to know who you are, because some of you have got different names in Messenger. Okay, if they are not sent, ask them to remind them, please. Okay, so let's go back to what we were discussing yesterday, right? What we were discussing yesterday, anyone remember? Okay, so we were discussing, right? We were discussing Atma, rebirth, moksha, all these things, right? So Atma is the soul, okay, which originated from at the beginning of creation. Now from Narayana, everything originated. Okay, all the things, okay, whether it is moving, mobile or immobile, moving things like animals and humans, or immobile like trees and everything else, everything got Atma. Okay, Narayana's creation, all that is his creation. The birth cycle continues, everything Atma takes a body. Okay, well, it could be a human body, it could be animal body, it could be in the form of a tree. It takes a form, Atma stays there, and then when that dies, it goes into another one. Okay, takes another birth. So that birth cycle continuously happens until in a human life, okay, the person does all the things that said in the shastras, in the scriptures, in our Vedas, okay, lives by that, then he attains moksha. Okay, moksha is liberation, emancipation. That means the Atma then does not take birth, rebirth, it goes to Narayana himself from where it came. Okay. That's the summary. Okay. What I said yesterday is, say, let's say we got a birth, we grow up, the Atma, same Atma remains throughout that life, right? And when we die, depending on what we did, it gets a new birth. It could be an animal, it could be a plant, or it could be a human form again. Okay. In the last week class, when we were talking about Brahmana, Kshatriya, Vaishya, Shudra, 4 classes, okay, someone asked why like this. This is again depends on previous birth. I will come to that in the next presentation slide. Okay, I will explain that more in details, why, what it is. But for now, I have 2 hands raised. Let me answer those, otherwise we will miss. Bala and Ishita. You probably ask more questions than anybody. Very good.
When so if let's say in a city there's 10,000 souls, and then after like 1,000 years one of the souls get is like the person who the body it's in, they done all the good things that they have to, would it go to Narayana, and then another soul would come back to the earth?
No, because you have all the other so many souls already there, right? So if you count the plants and animals and everything, right? There are so many of them. That plant may die, and that may take place birth as a human, right? So the animal might take a birth as a human in the next birth. There may be a dog living somewhere, okay, that dies, and that might take a birth as a human. A human might die and might take a birth as a dog.
But like, would the atmas get less and less every time?
If everyone does good, yes, but normally we don't. Okay, there is not many who achieve moksha, okay, which I'll come to in the next slide, explaining what happens and what are the benefits of doing good and what's not. Okay, but normally there is not many who achieve that. But yes, your answer is yes, Atma should get less and less and less. Okay, and what Vedas, Bhagavad Gita, everything says is once it reaches Narayana, it won't come back. Okay, at the end of this, okay, there is a everything gets wiped out. Okay, that is called pralaya. Okay, and everything gets wiped out, and all the souls go back to Narayana, and then the new creation starts. Okay, when the new creation starts, the ones who have reached Narayana previously through their work, through their conduct, okay, will not get a rebirth. They will stay with Narayana. The others other souls will get a birth again. Okay, so the cycle continues. Even if pralaya happens, the cycle continues for those souls which have not completed their journey, okay, in the previous cycle. Okay, so those who have reached Narayana, that's permanent place, and those will never get a birth again, rebirth again.
Thank you.
No problem. Pranil.
So, I have actually 2 questions. The first question is that if the Atma goes to Narayana, so is he called Atma Rama for that reason?
He is called Paramatma. He is the ultimate supreme Atma. He is called Paramatma.
Okay, what was your
And my second question is that, so if the Atma goes to Narayana, then after that, does the rest bits, all it goes to the higher world?
Narayana is the highest world. Narayana is the highest place. What do you mean by after that it goes?
So Narayana is the higher world.
Yeah. He is the start. He is the start, right? He is the ultimate start. So everything starts from him, right? You remember this? Even the gods, Okay, all the gods, trees, plants, rivers, mountains, animals, humans, everything is his creation. Okay, Narayana, you can say Narayana's Vishnu's form, Narayana's Shiva's form, Narayana's Durga's form, whichever form you want to see, we can see it. Okay, but Narayana, Shambhu, Devi, whatever you want to call, okay, that's the supreme, the ultimate Paramatma. Okay, so he's from him, the everything, all the creation comes.
Okay, thank you.
No problem. Nayana.
What happens if we run out of souls?
We probably won't, because there are so many animals and lives in this creation. Okay, it will always be there. There will always people. So we don't run out because we are not all so good, Nayana. Because we always do mistakes. Okay, we always do things different, which is not right. Okay, so that's why there will always be people here, even though everyone tries. That's the problem. So there is always things. If everything goes to Narayana, then probably the creation, there is nothing to create. Everybody's resides. That's the ultimate aim, by the way. That's the ultimate aim. Everyone's aim is to go and settle the Atma, take the Atma to Narayana. Okay, do our conduct duties. Okay, good conduct and duties, then reach Narayana. That's the ultimate aim. Okay, but we all find it very difficult. Okay, to tell the truth always, right? And not to get angry, right? How many times do we get angry every day, right? So that's the difficulty. Datta and Snigdha.
When you rebirth, is it possible to rebirth as like a river or a sea?
Anything's possible, because rivers and sea also have devas or devi or the person's souls attached to it. Say, for example, we said Gange, Chemane, Chaiva, right? So Ganga, Yamuna, Godavari, all these, okay, have devi forms in them, right? So all of them they all have souls, okay? So you can take birth as a river on the planet.
Thank you.
Yes, Varadarajan.
Is it possible to rebirth as a stone?
Anything that's in creation is creation. So stones are stones is part of his creation. Okay, everything is Narayana's creation. So it is possible to stay there as a stone for thousands of years.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, we have Dhriti and Deepti.
So what's the difference between Avatara and Atma?
Sorry, a little bit louder, please.
What's the difference between Avatara and Atma?
Atma is, so that's Avatara is when God takes incarnations. Okay, they come in the form of, so Narayana or whoever it is, they come to earth in the form, and then they take that form, and then they do their whatever their purpose they came here, and then they finish that and then go back. Okay, that's it. Their form itself, they come in a different form here. Soul is Narayana's part, okay, a part of Narayana, okay, from him, which we all have, okay, we all have one of it. So that's the Atma. So Avatara is the physical appearance. For soul is not a physical appearance. It is that something resides in everything that's in his creation, Narayana's creation. Okay. I know we got still 4 more hands raised, but we probably be out of time.